breakfast at Denny's, and now we're headed out to my sister-in-law's house so the kids can play with their cousin, and then we're gonna go to Bait Nuts Farm and look at pumpkins. Yes, I know we did pumpkins last weekend, but they rotted already. We had to throw them away on Wednesday. They only lasted a couple days. So we're gonna go do the pumpkin patch, which we haven't done one of those this year, so that'll be fun. And yep, luckily we've got a sleeping baby. Woo. There's horses up there. Ethan, look out your window. There's horses.
No, I don't see any horses.
They're out Ethan's window.
Why they're not on my window?
On the way home, they'll be out of your window. Look at Ethan's window. I was giving you a hard time because you're dressed too warm.
Now it's sprinkling good.
Yeah. Oh well. At least I have tennis shoes on.
Yeah, me and the kids are all wearing sandals.
This is Scarecrow. See, Ethan?
Oh my goodness.
This is Scarecrow.
The first time I was here, it was last year.
Last year? This is super fun, huh?
Boy, am I tired. Like I said, it was a long week. So, good night. I hope you enjoyed watching our trip to Bait Nuts Farm. We got to play in a bounce house. We got to go on a tractor ride. We got to see lots of scarecrows. And we saw lots of pretty scenery on our drive out there. So, lots and lots of fun, and we of course enjoyed hanging out with our cousin Brianna and Auntie Claudia, and it was just fun. Yes, we enjoyed it. So if you enjoyed watching it, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up because you liked it, and comments are always welcome. Thanks. Bye.